The fourth option is a terminology that I've created around the purpose and motivation and the style of the massage I give to women. Now that can be the absolute massage or it can be the sensual massage. Irrespective, it's about receiving a massage that is intentionally arousing. And the reason I call it the fourth option is that I read an article about depressed vaginas, which is the terminology that's being used by the medical profession around a genuine and real situation that some women face, which is when the vagina actually becomes, for want of a better word, they use atrophied. The remedy is to go out and have sex. That's what doctors recommend. Fine if you're in a relationship and you can do that with your partner, but if you're not, then the choices are go out and have a one-night stand or masturbate. Well, the fourth option is what I offer, is you can come to me and you can have the sincerity and meaningfulness of the relationship. You can have the excitement and unpredictableness of the one-night stand, and you can have the detail and technique of self-masturbation. But the whole thing is wrapped up in the fourth option, which is basically a safe, contained place where it can be done, whereby it's not going to chase you down the street afterwards, no one's going to phone you, and it's very much about you, the individual, on the receiving end, and nothing is expected or judged in return.